Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to block someone on Gmail. So let's say someone is bothering you and you want to just simply block them. You don't want no drama. So how can you do it? Let me show you how you can block a person on Gmail. First, tap open your Gmail app. Tap on any email that person sent you. So since I don't have any on my inbox, let's fish one out. Open the email, and here beside the name, you will see three dots on the top right. Tap on that, and here at the very bottom, you will see block said person as the second option. Tap on that, and the person will be blocked. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.